The country's premier aerospace and defense exhibition, Aero India 2021, took off on a scintillating note on Wednesday amid the coronavirus pandemic. This is the 13th edition of the biennial international event at Air Force Station, Yelahanka. Negative COVID-19 RT-PCR report is a must. Only 3,000 visitors will be allowed to attend the show each day due to the pandemic. International pop star Rihanna, in a surprising tweet last night, asked why wasn't anyone talking about the farmers' protest. Hours after Rihanna tweeted about the protest, social activist Greta Thunberg also took to Twitter and wrote, and I quote, "We stand in solidarity with the farmers' protest in India." While actress Kangana Ranaut, in a veiled attack against Rihanna, called her a fool and said, and I quote, "We are not selling our nation like you dummies." Bharatiya Kisan Union spokesperson Rakesh Tikait will attend a farmers' Mahapanchayat at Jind district in Haryana. He aims to amass massive support for the ongoing farmers' agitation against the centre to repeal the 3 contentious farm laws. Elaborate arrangements have been made for the same. The top court will hear a batch of petitions relating to the tractor rally violence that ensued on Republic Day. Bench comprising Chief Justice S.A. Bobde and Justices A.S. Bopanna and V. Ramasubramanian will hear the petitions. The unfortunate turn-up of events grabbed the eyeballs of everyone. Several leaders cutting across party lines had condemned the incident. The Haryana government has further extended the suspension of mobile services in 7 districts of the state. The services have been snapped till Wednesday evening. Decision taken amidst the ongoing farmers' protest against the centre. According to the state government, the step has been taken to prevent any disturbance of peace and public order. RJD and NCP leaders held talks with the Trinamool Congress leadership and have decided to form an alliance in West Bengal to fight against the BJP in the upcoming assembly elections due in April-May. RJD National General Secretary Shyam Rajak held talks with TMC Youth Wing President Abhishek Banerjee in Kolkata, while TMC MP Saugata Roy held talks with NCP founder and former Union Minister Sharad Pawar in Delhi. The Saffron Party, which is keen to dethrone Mamata Banerjee, will be holding Parivartan Yatras in the state from February 6th. The Yatras will be flagged off from the party's 5 organizational zones and pass through every assembly constituency in the state. BJP National President will be present at the launch of the Yatra. Narcotics Control Bureau has detained actor Sushant Singh Rajput's assistant friend Rishikesh Pawar in a drugs-related case. As per the reports, Pawar was held for consuming drugs and possessing banned substances. Pawar was said to be absconding and NCB was conducting a search for him. He will be questioned as multiple allegations have been levelled against him. Cricket Australia has reacted to its decision of withdrawing from the South Africa Test Tour because of COVID-19 fear. Cricket Australia said that it was only interested in lucrative series against India and England. Cricket Australia Interim Chief Executive Nick Hockley has described their decision as heartbreaking and has said that they have no other choice.